God is saying to you today, it's taking so long because it's so big. The delay was strategic because there's so many moving pieces to this thing that you've been waiting for. And that's why it's taking so long. There is so much that has to happen in the unseen that it's not up to us for us to even try to understand or make sense of. This is all just trusting God in this process. That is what this is about, is knowing that everything happens in accordance with His will. Everything happens in His timing. And in the meantime, you must understand that God keeps His promise, that whatever He says is true, and you don't have to question Him. You don't have to question why certain things are the way that they are or why they had to happen the way that they happened. Everything serves a purpose. And it's part of this much bigger web that has been intricately woven together by God. And trust that everything you've gone through has served a purpose to get you to this very point. So this is a turning point in your life, my friend, because there's only so much force that could happen that things remain stuck. And there is a lot of force being applied to this situation at this time to get it to finally budge. So finally, things have come to an end. Your struggle, your desperation, everything has an expiry date, including the dark times. So what's going to happen next is things are starting to unfold for you in a way that is going to be very miraculous. And I don't want to be vague in the sense that this is some positive thing. It's literally to get you to believe, to affirm your faith, and that you willingly trust God. Because if you don't, then nothing can happen for you. If you don't trust God in this process, then you don't believe in Him fully. So this is a test of your faith, and it will produce fruit. Trust that. So if this resonated or if it was helpful, please put amen in the comments right now. Hit that like button and send it to others who need to hear this message, because you will bless them with belief and a firm faith in God. I wish nothing but the best for you, and I pray for you all every single day. You all mean so much to me, and so does your support. If you want to support this channel, there are some options linked in the description as well as the pinned comment. Otherwise, I invite you to join the Temple Within, my online sanctuary where we grow closer to God together outside of dogmatic theology. That is linked down below. I cannot wait to see you inside, and I love you so much. Bye-bye.